Hello, this video was created by Darshana Bhangare, a staff information developer at BMC Software, and narrated by a computer-generated voice. In this video, we will see how to manage software installations and distributions across the entire network by using the software distribution module in BMC Client Management. Software distribution involves 4 steps. Creating the package to distribute in the package factory and publish it to the master or a relay. Assigning the package to the target device and distributing it. Installing the package on the target device. Monitoring the installation progress and the results. The software distribution module supports the creation and installation of the following software package types. MSI packages. The Windows installer technology consists of the Windows installer service for the Windows operating systems and the package file format used to hold information about the application setup and installations. Snapshot packages. Snapshot packages memorize the configuration of a system before installation, and use it to find the changes, which took place after the installation. Custom packages. Custom packages are installation packages of any type which are specifically created for software distribution, such as setup, Unix, file distribution, and so on. They can be used with all platforms supported by BMC Client Management. RPM packages. The RPM Package Manager is a powerful command line-driven package management system capable of installing, uninstalling, verifying, querying, and updating computer software packages. To manage the packages, you will need the BMC Client Management software distribution license, which is based on the number of devices assigned to the created packages. To create, manage, and assign the different package types, an administrator needs specific capabilities and access rights. To access the packages node and all its subnodes, you will need the View Packages capability. To create, modify, or delete a package, you will need the Manage capability. To assign a package to a target, you will need the Assign capability and the Assign access right on the package. You will also need at least the View capability on devices or device groups, and at least read access to the target objects. To publish a package, you will need the Manage capability, View capability, and read access to the device on which the package is to be published. Let's start with the first step, that is creating a package for installing the Internet Explorer as an example. To do this, you need to download a setup file available for distribution. From the Wizards menu, click Package Creation. The Package Creation wizard is displayed to guide you through the individual steps required to create a new custom package. In the Package Factory window, add a device as a packager. Select a package type. Let's select Custom Package and click Next to continue. In the Custom Package window, enter the name for the Internet Explorer installation package. Select the mapping option. From the Archive Type list, select Zip. Zip is the standard format for a package. PKG is a proprietary format that can be used to avoid antivirus checks on zip files. Let us select all the options from the Options panel. We do not need all these options for our example, but let's talk about them briefly. Click Next to continue. The Installation Options window is displayed. In the Destination Path field, enter the path in which you want the Internet Explorer setup file to be stored temporarily. In the Run Command field, enter the command to install the software on the machine after the files are deployed. On the Overwrite panel, define which files the package should overwrite when installing on the target and which files to be left untouched, by selecting the respective options. Let's skip all these options and click Next to continue. The Present and Absent Files window enables you to add files that must be present or absent when distributing the package. The first table adds files that must be present, the second panel lists files that must be absent. Let's skip this and click Next to continue. The Run as Options window defines which login should the script use and what to do if the login fails. Let's keep this as it is and click Next to continue. This pre-install script window displays the script to be executed before the installation. This script is automatically created when the package is created. By default, it already contains several predefined procedures, such as error handling. You can directly create and edit the script in the provided panel. Click Compile Script. Any compilation errors that might occur are displayed in the panel. Click Next to continue. This post-install script window displays the script to be executed after the installation. Click Next to continue. The Add Files window shows all files in their directory structure which are contained in the custom package and which will be installed on the targets. Click Add File and go to the directory where you stored the setup file. Click OK to confirm. Click Next to continue. The Map Files window enables you to define specific mappings for files and directories. You can define the location on the target device if it is different from the original package location. Click Map. The mapping dialog box is displayed. Enter the source and destination paths and click OK to confirm. Click Next to continue. The Publication window enables you to define on which device in your network the newly created package is to be published. Select the Publish to Master option to make available to the general public in your network. Select the Publish to Relay option to publish the package on one or more relays. Select the Reference Package option to publish the package as a reference. In this case, the package is stored in a specific location, which, for example, can also be a removable unit such as a CD, DVD or a USB key. A relay which requires the package for itself or its clients will verify the given location before requesting it from the master. A package can only be referenced by the master, that is, the master receives all information about the package but not the package itself. For our example, select the Publish to Relay option. Click Add. The Select a Storage Relay dialog box is displayed. Select a device from the list of all available relays. The package is copied to the relay. Click OK to confirm. Click Finish to confirm all settings and close this wizard. A confirmation dialog box is displayed. Select the Deploy the Package option and click Yes to continue directly with the distribution of the new package. The Package Distribution wizard is displayed. To distribute the package to a device, select Devices from the Target Type field. Select the assignment type. Clear the default schedule option and click Next to continue. In the Assign Targets window, you can define the targets of the package distribution. Click Add Device. Select a device from the list and click OK. Click Next to continue. In the Schedule window, define the schedule of package distribution. Select Assign immediately to carry out the assignment immediately after defining the assignment. Select the Write Now option to start the distribution immediately. Select the Start the Schedule Immediately option to start the schedule immediately. Select after how many executions you want the schedule to end. Let's select 2 executions to have it run after 2 executions. Click Finish to confirm all choices and to activate the distribution. A confirmation window is displayed. Select the Go to Package option to go to the package distribution view. Here you can see the entry for the assigned device with its status and you can monitor the status of the distribution package. The software distribution module now informs the target clients that the new package is available, and the installation can begin. After the package is installed on the client, the status changes to Executed. You have created and distributed the packages for installing Internet Explorer on the target clients. For more information on this topic, see the BMC Online Documentation Portal. Thanks for watching.